Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to delete your phone number in Snapchat app. Please friends, write your comments after watching the video. Be sure to put your likes and subscribe to our channel. So let us get into this topic with you. First of all, open the Snapchat app. Next, at the top, click on your Bitmoji to go to your Snapchat page. After that, on the top right, click on the gear. And here you can easily find a section called Mobile Number. So that you can delete it, go to this section. And in order for you to delete it, you can just like this, by clicking on this button right here, delete it. But, folks, if you go back out, as you can see, your cell phone number is still there, and so it's not deleted. You can only do one thing. You can delete your current cell phone number and change it to some other number. For that, you see the new number. Then friends, when you change your current number, you need to click just here to confirm your number. Next, you will get an SMS with a code to your phone number that you will need to enter into the Snapchat app to confirm that you are indeed doing this action. And this way you will remove your old phone number from the Snapchat app. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you friends. Please put your likes, write your comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.